GCON, the Deputy Speaker, Right Honorable Ben Okezekalu, the leadership of the National Assembly, the Attorney General of the Federation, all senior government officials, and the Country Director of the World Bank. Let me sincerely thank Mr. President once again. The last time we had a NIMSI program, I referred to Mr. President as the grand innovator of the Federal Republic. I wasn't kidding. With what we have seen today with this law, it means that our security architecture can better be enhanced. When Mr. President came on board, because it's always important we say this, where we were and where we are, it's always important. When Mr. President came on board, we had a disconnected system within our identity data management system. As at that time, getting passport, getting work permits, and etc. was completely disconnected from our identity database. But today, you can't get a Nigerian passport without pulling data from NIMSI. What you have in immigration is what you have in NIMSI. And let me say this clearly, that it has even helped our border control process. I know sometimes ago the Senate President said something on the floor of the Senate that some people went on pilgrimage, some terrorists and etc. That how did they cross our borders? Because what we inherited was a fractured system. But I'm happy to tell you that even last week, Thursday, 7 of the known commanders of Boko Haram and ISWAP, at the point of coming back, were arrested at in Katsina at the airport and were handed over to the DSS. And this is only possible because NIMSI's ID is already connected with the immigration database, and it's already speaking to even the I-247, Interpol I-247, and we have been able to automate this. And with the new IOC that the Ministry of Interior has built, which is the first time in the history of Nigeria that will be having an integrated operating center managing our internal security processes, all our maritime and our air border system has been fully controlled. And that was evident last week. They thought it was business as usual when they will leave and come back, but they were picked right there and handed over to the DSS on Thursday. We had to airlift them to Abuja on Saturday and handed them. They're in custody as we speak. So nobody can come through. The land border, which is still a bit porous, we're already working on that. And with this new act, it has given us the necessary powers. It has given us the necessary tools to be able to do things. As they always say, there's no right way of doing what is illegal. If the law is not with you, no matter how good it is bad. So with this new act now, we have what it takes to be able to integrate all this system and to be able to protect ourselves better. So I want to thank Mr. President, because Mr. President, once again, you have shown that you are not just the president for Nigeria of today, you are a president for the Nigeria of tomorrow. You are building my generation, and that is why some of us are so passionate about what you are doing. The tax reform wasn't about this generation, it's about the future. This Identity Management Act is not about this generation alone, it's about the future, because nobody will want to do business without trust. And an identity system that is trustworthy is the foundation of any business. It's the foundation of any economic emancipation and development. It's the foundation of any border security. We will just be playing games if we do not have this sort of act, thinking we can protect ourselves. You can't protect who you don't know when you don't know what. So I want to thank Mr. President for this executive bill. And I want to thank the National Assembly for the speedy passage of this bill. I want to assure Mr. President that we will work very closely with NIMSI. We'll be working very well together. And I'm happy to say we have one of the most brilliant and intelligent Nigerians at the ends of affairs of NIMSI today. And that's courtesy of Mr. President's vision, Mr. President's ability for talent hunting. And that's why you're the greatest talent hunter in the history of this country. We thank you so much, Mr. President, and we assure you that this bill, this act, once assented to, will lead to a better secure Nigeria and a better Nigeria of expectation for generations yet unborn. Thank you. Mine is to thank Mr. President for this. May God bless you. May God keep you safe for us. And may God continue to empower you to continue to deliver for even my generation and generations yet unborn.